Suffering in prison would have been easier to bear if we had not thought our raid a failure. We could not know that the Southern newspapers, while praising the bravery of Fuller, were amazed and alarmed that a mere handful of Yankee soldiers had almost wrecked the Confederacy. Full 50 times our number had to be diverted from Confederate battle lines for guarding their railroads and bridges. All we knew was that official orders transferred us from jail to jail. Chattanooga, Madison, Knoxville. Now we were being moved again.
Kid, where are you taking them, Major?
Atlanta.
Why don't you just hang him up in Chattanooga?
Gotta have a court-martial trial for him first.
But ain't there no lawyers in Chattanooga?
I have my orders from Richmond.
No offense, Major, no offense.
Mr. Fuller, could I have a word with you?
You had a word with me. Going north. We're going south now.
No talking in the yard.
How many eggs can you lick today, Johnny?
Any more trouble out of you, we put you down the hole.
Captain, assemble your prisoners.
Line them up, Corporal.
Line him up!
Got to read them the sentence of the court-martial.
What's the verdict?
Guilty. All of them.
I heard they were just hanging the ringleader.
So did I. But the orders from Richmond said different. Hang every last one of them, only before the 15th.
Downstairs and ask the captain of the guard to lend you his master key, and you'd have something to go by.
Hey, boy!
Sir?
Give us attention tonight.
We're tedding tonight on the old campground. Give us a song to cheer our weary hearts, a song of home and friends we love so dear. Many are the hearts that are weary tonight, wishing for the war to cease. Many are the hearts.
Hey, look! Look what's nice!
What's going on in there? Why did you stop singing? Why don't you give us the rest of it?
Many are the hearts that are weary tonight, wishing for the war to cease. Many are the hearts looking for the right to see the dawn of peace. Tedding tonight, tedding tonight, tedding on the old campground.